Hey everyone, we just received another product from AliExpress to review. Let's open it up and discover what we received this time. Okay, say hello to the white noise sleep sound machine. According to the product description, this device helps you block out disruptive environmental noises so you and your little one can fall asleep with ease. It has 7 different soothing sounds: white noise, wind, thunderstorm, ocean waves, rainforest, summer night, and lullaby. We'll test that out, but first let's check if the product came as described without any missing pieces or damages. As you can see, the product looks brand new and all is left is to check its functionalities. Based on this video review, we rank this product as a